Welcome to HODL tutorial, buying HODL using MetaMask browser extension with the Ledger wallet. This tutorial assumes that you have your seed phrase properly installed into your Ledger wallet, that your Smart Chain app is properly installed on your Ledger wallet, with a burner account loaded into the MetaMask browser extension. First, we are going to copy the HODL contract address. Then we are going to select Buy HODL Now in the top right-hand corner. You might be prompted to import token. Select I understand. Select Import. You might need to import HODL manually. Select the drop-down menu. Paste the HODL contract address into the search box. Select Import. You will be prompted to import tokens. Select I understand. Select Import. We need to set MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain Network. Select Add Network. Adding a new network to MetaMask is as easy as cut and paste. Feel free to pause this video so you can type in the fields. Congratulations! MetaMask is now a multi-chain wallet. It's time we connect our Ledger wallet to the MetaMask extension. Select the avatar. Select Connect Hardware Wallet. Let's connect and power up our Ledger wallet. Entering your Ledger wallet PIN is easy. Pushing the button on the right will scroll the menu upwards. Pushing the button on the left will scroll the menu downwards. Pushing both buttons simultaneous will select the highlighted object. Choosing the X will delete your most recent selection. When you are finished, select the check mark. Select the Binance Smart Chain app. Scroll to the right until you find Settings. Enable Blind Signing. Scroll to the right and select Back. Select Continue. You should see your ledger in a drop-down menu. Select your ledger and then select Connect. Select the account you wish to use. Select Unlock. Now that our account is signed in, let's make sure that we are on the Smart Chain Network. We need to import HODL into our MetaMask browser extension. Paste the HODL contract address. Select Add Custom Token. Select Import Tokens. You have imported HODL into your MetaMask browser extension. We need to connect our wallet to the PancakeSwap Exchange. Select MetaMask. Make sure the account you wish to use is selected and then select Next. Connect your ledger to PancakeSwap Exchange. This tutorial is not financial advice. We could choose the amount of HODL we wish to purchase, but in this tutorial, we will choose the amount of BNB we wish to spend. We need to set our slippage tolerance. What is slippage? Slippage is the price difference between submitting a transaction and transaction confirmation. Price might rise. Price might fall. What is slippage tolerance? Slippage tolerance is a pricing difference setting that users are willing to accept when swapping. Adjust your slippage tolerance for taxes and market conditions. More trading requires more slippage tolerance. Slippage and tokenomics tax are not the same thing. Select the gear icon next to the word swap. We will be using a custom slippage tolerance of 15%. Close out settings when you are finished. Select Swap. If your transaction fails to complete, try again, but next time putting 0.00 at the end of the amount of HODL you wish to purchase. Select Confirm Swap. MetaMask browser extension is prompting you to confirm. Blind signing has already been enabled. Select Confirm. Review your transaction on your Ledger hardware wallet. Make sure the amount and address are correct. You can choose between accept and send or reject. Congratulations, the transaction has been submitted. You can see the transaction receipt on BscScan by clicking this link. Thank you for considering purchasing HODL, and thank you for watching this tutorial.